Hey, what's going on? What's happening? I figured I'd do just a quick update video and a little surprise at the end. So I almost got the engine done. Spacing out the oil pump, the gears inside, because the pump has a little bit of play in it. So what you want to do, now you don't have to do this. So I got my 7/1000 feeler gauge in that one. So I'm gonna go get my other feeler gauge and put 7/1000, see if it fit on the bottom, and try to get it spaced even, hands and everything. So put 7/1000 in here. Fits, spaced good, so I'm gonna snug it down right there. Cool, all right. All right, it took a little bit of playing around, but I got it. All right, dot. Feels good. All right. Come out. Go ahead.
What?
So go ahead and put my head studs on. You're doing a good job. Hey, no. You sure you know what you're doing?
Yes, I know what I'm
All right. Don't get no hair follicles in my engine.
doing. No hair follicles.
No, you need a hair there. Don't shake it around. Don't even do that.
Well, it's on my shoulders.
Very good. Oh, that's fine. That's $7.99. That's all. You got that one on the end? You didn't get that one. And you still got all these. Keep that hair back. All right, there you go.
So I got it 7 or 6.
Four.
What is 4? Oh.
Got that hair.
I can't put this in the front.
Fix that hair.
Can't do anything.
There you go.
What do I go to? 5?
Yep, 5.
here.
So this is nothing but just a stock block with a good set of pistons and rods and an Eagle crank inside with some 799 heads that I put some different valves in. So hopefully when it's done, I could run some good numbers. Went back and started looking at some old videos, and believe it or not, came across a video where I lined up against none other than Aaron himself, NXgonzo. So now this footage was taken by the 660 crew that I raced over at New Nakona Dragway, and we lined up, me and Gonzo lined up against each other.
He's up on that spot. He's on the spot. He needs to pull up. He's throwing pellets. Yeah. That'll work. Yeah. You can see where he pulled it up at. He was fixing to. He was going to shoot it to the moon. Yeah. Call that a little skeet shoot.
Dug it in a little bit too. A little what?
A little skeet shoot. See what happens. That's 10 on the big end.
On to the third round.
What?
NXgonzo. He said he was a duck. He lied.
So apparently Gonzo was saying he was a duck, you know, but he went rounds that night, and but it's just now. Well, thanks for tuning into this video. I hope it was worth your entertainment and worth your time.